The majority of shrubs sold today are presented in containers. They have the advantage of being able to be planted almost all year round, except during periods of frost and extreme heat. Although shrubs sold in containers can be planted almost all year round, the best time remains in spring and autumn. Before planting, immerse the container for an hour, allowing the root ball to become fully moistened. Dig a hole that is at least twice the size of the container. In other words, 40 by 40 centimeters for a pot with a diameter of 20 centimeters. Don't forget to thoroughly mix the extracted soil with compost. Count on a good half bucket of compost per shrub or a full bucket of potting soil. Remove the shrub from the container, which should come out naturally if the roots are not growing through the pot. Shrubs sold in containers have been grown for several months in the same pot. Trapped, the roots turn inside the pot wall, forming a root ball. Untangle the roots outside of the container. Use the handle of the spade to adjust the planting level. The collar should always remain at ground level. Fill around the root ball with the mixture of soil, potting soil and compost. Firm the soil around the root ball and create a basin around the shrub to catch rainwater. Water generously the first time with about 10 liters of water. And finish the planting by mulching the base to retain moisture. Here it is an amaryllis, a shrub with fragrant flowers in winter,